Hey guys, let's go ahead and check these two different complex fraction problems that you've just done. So the first one is 2 over 2/3. So again, the fraction bar means divide. So we have 2 divided by 2/3. So all you have to do now is just set it up like a regular division problem. So 2 divided by 2/3 is going to be 2 over 1. Keep change reciprocal. And then 3 over 2. I would cross simplify there and get rid of those. Multiply straight across. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. So our answer for this one is 3. So 2 divided by 2/3 is 3. Make sure you've done the next one before you check it. So for here, we have 6 divided by 1/3. 6 over 1/3. So 6 divided by 1/3. Keep change reciprocal. 6 over 1 times 3 over 1. 6 times 3, 18 over 1 equals 18. So these ones we've done had a whole number and a fraction. So the next ones you're going to do are going to be a fraction by a fraction.